Hey everybody, this is our Add Buildings to the Island week. And since I have quite a number of buildings already on the island, I am going to use this time to adjust the buildings that are there and clean it up a little bit, meaning de-building it, and then add some additional buildings. So right here, I have taken this building, or this storefront, and the whole plaza is really um, a bunch of different buildings just repeated the same thing. And this is pretty intimidating environment. So I'm going to change it up a little bit, and I thought I'd start by deleting a couple and deconstructing a couple. So this is all one thing that was linked. I've unlinked the item as a whole already, and now I'm just selecting specific items, and I'm just using the take feature and just paying attention to that little highlighted thing. And I'll continue to do more of this. And then my goal is to change the walls and make it some sort of open air type of fun looking environment. So now you can see that I have completely deconstructed this building. I've taken away the face. I actually narrowed this little piece here as well. And we blew the roof off, took the back off, and added a nice brick texture. So this will be a nice way to get to other parts of the island, and I'm thinking I'm going to use this as a meeting space, like discussion board area where we'll post some of those live action interactive discussion boards. Hello again. I have made some changes. So we've put this funky floor in this area, a few places to sit. It's a little disorganized at this time, but we'll fix that up later on. We backed this out to the what is now the open land, changed up the texture of the pillars here a little bit, blew the roof off, all good things. As you may remember, my silver discs directed us to the restroom, which I have now modified this building partially to be the restroom. As you can see, got a little transparency issue here going, and that's not terribly realistic, so I'm gonna have to fix that up a little bit, but for now you can see where we're going. And then we have some progress here in the food court. Again, a little disorganized here, still under construction, but you can see what I've done with the ice cream shop. I've added a price tag and made the signs kind of sticking out of the wall, and I've changed the texture of this wall. Also put a menu here on the pizza, a little simplified than what was there already. And then the hot dog stand actually had a readable menu, so I'm just going with that. I still plan to add a couple other things. We've got the pretzel shop, we've got a coffee shop here, which has a pretty cool spinning sign. Would love to know how to make that stuff. A couple of picnic tables and such things, and again, we'll just continue to build into this area. That's all I have for now, and oh, actually no, I added some to my shoe store here. So we took what was a bar, this whole thing, and I put an image of some socks there, and then we do have an interactive web page here. So there are two textures on this image, or on this form. There's the socks, so people, when they come in, they know what is actually there. And then if you click it, it'll actually take you to the website, which is a favorite of mine, the School of Sock. And eventually that'll come in here. So again, this is back to that interactive interface that we were working with before. So if you really wanted to shop with the socks order, you certainly could. And if you just use the scroll key or the arrow buttons, you can scroll through the content of the web page. A little escape key takes you out, and you can see that these socks are $12. That's it for now. Thank you.